First, add your clip to the timeline. Now go to background removal. Choose custom brush and remove the background properly, just like I'm doing. After removing it, duplicate the clip. Then go to Adjust and copy the exact settings you see on screen. Now do the opposite settings on second clip. After that, click on Overlay. Then go to Scale and zoom in slightly. Follow my steps carefully. Now export this project. Then undo everything and bring back the original. Now add the exported clip. Go to Splice and set it to Filter. Next, go to Effects and add Glow 2. Match my settings carefully. Now copy this layer 2 times. Add a wet screen overlay on top. Add one more overlay and set the opacity to 50. And that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.